Hi, Becca. Ooh, yummy. What is that? Mmm. She's so cute. Ow.
She's still trying to figure the whole thing out, isn't she? Like, what?
She's like, that's pretty good stuff, though.
What is this, little cereal?
Yeah, rice cereal and a little bit of that milk. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
She's eating baby food?
Mm-hmm.
Say, yes, I am, brother. Yes, I am.
Good girl.
Want some more? Don't.
No, look, she's opening her mouth for it. Wow. The other two never did this. They were like, ew, food. Want to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
What do you think of the baby eating? It's pretty cool, huh?
Is she eating food or
Yeah, it's rice cereal.
rice cereal?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Cereal made of rice.
It's food made of cereal and rice.
Ooh. Hi. She's not impressed.
Huh.
She's usually impressed.
Pretty good. Oh, there's drawing on you. Come here.
Mmm. I'll nurse her in a minute and give her a little chance to
A little
get
drink
used to it, yeah.
to drink. That's probably good for now.
Oh, wow.
That's good for now. That's the first time. Oh,
Should I go?
oh, you want that too? Want some of that? Want it back? You're so pretty.
Think that's good, Becca? Is that yummy? 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 Maybe not.
All right. Say bye.
Okay.